Hey everybody, it's Carol. Today I've got two special products to show you, and I'm going to give you a mascara comparison again. So sit back, relax, stay a while. First product I'm going to show you is by Beenigma, and it is marula, oil, and bee venom. And the first time I saw this was on Nathalie, the Beauty Divas channel. She swears by it. She's gone through a few jars. This is my second jar. I have one empty jar and one jar I'm working on. Now it is a nice thick consistency. It absorbs easily, and unlike the dupes that you see out there, this does not sting. Now, I've tried the dupes too, and they sting. They actually burn your face. This does not burn my face. So therefore I use it more often. I use it every night. I've used it every night. That's why I've gone through one jar and I'm getting through a second jar. The company did send this to me many months ago, and I just loved what I heard from Nathalie, and I read up on it, and then I saw this clip on the website.
Was a 34% improvement in wrinkle depth in the face and a 52% improvement in wrinkle depth around the eye. And this is my after. This is day 10.
Right, 96% of participants said their skin appeared more youthful, and 92% reported that their fine lines and wrinkles were reduced after just 30 days of using our product.
Collagen and blood, things to sort of plump up the skin and reduce your signs of wrinkles.
Beenigma also contains active Manuka honey from New Zealand. This powerful form of honey contains highly concentrated vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants, making it an effective anti-aging and healing ingredient.
New Zealand bee venom, an ingredient that is so rare and highly sought after that it's considered by many as one of the most valuable substances on earth.
1 gram of this precious bee venom is worth more than the current value of a gram of gold. The difficulty of collecting bee venom is one of the reasons why this powerful ingredient is so expensive. Beenigma is 100% bee-friendly, using an extraction method that does not harm the bees.
This is really a good product. And a lot of my friends on here use this with their Retina A. Nathalie, MONIKA, MCGILLICUDDY, Beauty by Anne-Marie. They all say that it helps with the peeling and the irritation of Retina A if they mix Beenigma with it. So that's what I've been doing, and it works like a charm. I have used this long enough to tell you that I really think it's a great product. I believe I might have a discount code below. You are free to click the link if you like. So thank you, Beenigma. Okay, next product I'm over the moon about is this face gadget. It's an LED light, but it's different from any other LED lights you've seen, red light therapy that you've seen. This is the box that comes in. Yes, honey? Is that you?
I have some sweets for my sweetheart. Here you go, lovely.
Oh, thank you.
Hello, YouTubers. My gorgeous wife.
Thanks, honey. Oh, you're so sweet.
Tell me when will you be mine? Tell me quando, quando, quando.
Wow. Thanks, honey.
Thank you.
I'm sure the ladies will love it. Oh, look, he brought me licorice because I crave my licorice every day. Only 4 pieces I eat. 4 pieces I allow myself. Used to be 5, but now I allow myself 4. 2 chocolate and 2 strawberry. So, let's get on with the reverse LED light therapy. Okay, so sent to me by SKINCLINICAL. and it is an LED reverse anti-aging light therapy. The adapter goes in there and the product goes in here. So let me show you this magical product. It is shaped like this. It's so comfortable. It's ergonomically comfortable. It has a rubber button here. It says reverse anti-aging light therapy over here. It has the hole for the charger right there. And once it's charged, this is good for a long time. What I like the most about this, it's FDA approved. That's number one. And the second thing is you don't have to wear goggles with it because it is enclosed inside this plastic and this metal casing. So this is what you do. Turn it on and it beeps. Now, do you see the light there? There it is. I don't know if that is too bright to show you. But you take it. You work on one small area at a time for 3 minutes. So I would work on this and I would just do this while I watch a video. I mean, I do this skincare at night in bed. My laptop's in the bed and I watch my videos all night, or I edit all night and watch videos and talk to all of you. And you work on that for 3 minutes. The good thing about it is you see how the light is contained? You see how it's contained? And even if it did go near your eye, it's not harmful. This is FDA approved. So you can go over here without wearing goggles. It's quite amazing. I've had one before, and you always have to wear a goggle. And I have one that does the whole face, and of course you have to wear a goggle. But this is contained, so you do 3 minutes on a select area. And let me tell you the benefits of red light therapy. When it shuts off, it beeps twice. When it needs to be recharged, it beeps every 15 seconds. And when you turn it on, it beeps long. It gives you a long beep. And I think it's just an amazing product. I'm here to tell you that. It's only used for the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. And this is the best part. Skin Clinical Reverse is FDA cleared and classified as a medical device for treatment and reduction of fine line facial wrinkles. I mean, you sold me. I think that is the best info that you could get. It's FDA approved and it's for fine line and wrinkles. You just glide it over, you wash your face, you put this on a clean face, and what I like about it is you don't have to use any conductive serum. You could just put this on a clean face and you go on your troubled areas here. Here in the diagram it shows, and I'll show you the diagram, right here and here, and then above the eyebrows. So I'll show you the picture. So where you see the red dots is exactly where you would put the red light therapy. See? It's just fabulous. You could do your hands, you know? I mean, when I'm in bed, I'm lounging like this, and I've got my laptop right here, and I'm answering comments, and I'm watching videos, and I'm doing this. This is what I'm doing when I'm watching videos. If you do some research, you are going to find out that this stuff works. Well, something is working. And before I let you go, I want to tell you what mascaras I'm testing out today. I am testing out Tarte Tartiest on the right eye, and YSL Faux Cils, Effets Faux Cils on this eye. So, I really like this one, although I have to say it's hard to apply later. It gets that little wiry feeling and that plasticky feeling, but It does go on, and it's really good. Today I'm using the YSL Effets Faux Cils, and I'm not as happy with it. You can't add any more, and the brush is just too wide. I mean, it just makes your lashes clump together and just make a few lashes. But this one applies really fast, really good. I think you're just set for the day. Now, I don't know about removal yet, but I am trying 2 mascaras, different ones every day. One on the right eye, one on the left eye. So I want to thank Beenigma and SKINCLINICAL for sending me these products. They sent them to me last year, many months ago, so I've had plenty of time to try them out and give you my honest opinion. And I would only give you an honest opinion. That's all I know how to do. So, so before you go, if you want to press that little boop, 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 and that boop, that would make me so happy. And remember that you are beautiful. And stay powerful, girls. Power is everything. Be a powerful woman.